Hey guys, Cody here from the Desert Cruiser. Today I'm going to be installing my new Overland Gear Guy version 2 trash bag on my truck here. Got in Coyote Tan because my truck is tan, made in the USA, and the best part is with my massive 42-inch spare tire right here, they were able to make the straps to the size that I needed. We really wanted this trash bag on the back of the truck because we go out into the wilderness for a month at a time, and we did not want to have our stinky trash, muddy gear, or firewood inside our truck or inside the living space. This thing's waterproof, it's got a big zipper to keep everything inside, and it looks good. The bag is made out of a fade and water resistant material, so this thing will not turn any funky colors in the sun, but the buckles and straps are not, so we also got vinyl strap covers to cover the straps and the buckles. So let's get installing it. Alright, so first things first, I undid all these straps on the back side. There's two vertical straps and then there's one horizontal strap. There are two actually ways to mount the straps, crisscross or vertically. We're going to do the crisscross. So my first order of business is I'm going to put this sucker up and figure out where my horizontal straps are going to go. I'm going to put them underneath the tire carrier mount as well as my ratchet straps. Alrighty, so we have the straps all dialed in. It's kind of hard to show, and everybody's spare tire carriers are pretty unique. This thing's fully custom. What we did was we have the verticals from the top and the bottom in a crisscross pattern, and that's just really pulling it around the tire from all sides. I think that that's a little bit more secure than doing it vertically with just a horizontal. So now that we have this all dialed, we're going to unbuckle it and we're going to put our strap covers on to protect the straps from the sun on the front side. Getting the straps on was really easy. All you had to do was open them up and Velcro them over the straps on the bag. They look really good, and I think that it's going to definitely protect the straps themselves for a long time to come. All right, so now that we have the bag on our spare tire carrier, it's time to use it because we do have a bag of trash. We got the main buckles here, snap open, and then there's actually another, I guess you could say, rain flap lid that conceals the zipper. Having the zipper is really nice because it means no critters can get in easily. Zipper works very well, super easy to function, and there's the bag. Got an 8-gallon bag of trash right here. Swallowed it right up. Buckle it closed. And then down below the main compartment, you also have some little Velcro pockets. You could put maybe some gloves in here. You could put some trash bags in there. Nice to have them. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video.